I'm Laura, I'm here with Waltons Garden Buildings, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your new log cabin into the world's best garden pub. The Goldfinch is made using 34mm tongue and groove logs, which interlock together to provide a durable and robust building. Double doors with lock and key provide security, while the double glazed windows fill the spacious interior with light, including the additional storage room which is behind a locked door for peace of mind. The veranda offers a tranquil place to sit outside in the sun, surrounded by beautiful views of your garden, and best of all, insulation is included with this log cabin. Once you've got the building sorted, it's time for the most important part of your pub, the bar itself, plus lighting and drinks. Often, these are the focal points of any garden pub, so you want to make sure it fits your aesthetic. The best way to do that is to make it yourself. We know this may seem daunting, but why not rise to the challenge? That way, when friends and family visit your pub, you can show off by telling them you made the bar yourself. What better reason is that? We made our bar out of wooden pallets. One for the front, and then we've halved another one for the sides. Scrap wood was then used to make the actual countertop and trims, plus some shelves hidden behind the bar. A lick of paint has the spa feeling brand new, and it fits in perfectly with the space. If you fancy making your own bar out of pallets, we've got an article full of detailed instructions over on our website. Now you just need to add all the bar accessories. Once the bar is sorted, you'll want somewhere to enjoy your drinks. Keep in mind how many people you might be hosting when you start thinking about your seating area. A booth allows a lot of seating in a small area, but some spaces might be harder to get to. Bar stools are a great option for making the most of your space, but might not be as comfortable long term. We've upcycled 2 chairs by replacing the cover so it matches our pub aesthetics. We just need to add some cushions, a table, and our seating area is sorted. Of course, you're going to want to watch the game in your very own garden pub, so you need to make sure to hang up your own TV. Make sure to position it where everyone can see it, whether they're behind the bar or sat down. Below, we've added a storage unit, which also acts as a display case. There, we've added some movies, board games, and some spare glasses. Darts is a staple of pub life, so why should our garden pub be any different? Add some finishing touches like photos of your favourite sporting legends and your pub is good to go. And there you have it, your very own garden pub. If you want some more tips on how to decorate your garden building, we've got loads of articles and videos for you to check out. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time.